How's it going? Kevin Sofen and Rob Topping here at FDIC. Got Rob from Hoverfly here. So Rob, we've heard a lot about this drone revolution, drones in the fire service. Sounds great, but we obviously hear some of the issues and pros and cons of existing drones. But I know with the Hoverfly, it's revolutionary with the tethered technology. What is this tethered technology and why is it value add to a fire department?
Kevin, power tether technology solves the #1 complaint with commercial drones that are free flying. And that's that they can only fly for 15 or 20 minutes, maybe up to half an hour.
Wow.
But with Hoverfly power tether technology, you can fly for an unlimited amount of time, hours and even days without coming down.
So as long as you have power, that drone can stay up in the air?
Absolutely.
And it's running on 115 power?
It runs on 115 power, which you can get out of an inverter or from mains power on the ground.
Yeah, standard generator.
Right.
Okay. So who's using the Hoverfly and how is it being deployed today?
Our original customers were Department of Defense customers, and today we're selling to commercial concerns all around the world. And in the fire service, the Fire Department of New York was our first customer. FDNY has 3 live skies and 3 mission kits and uses it at 3 alarm or greater fires. In fact, 2 weeks ago they streamed live from a 5 alarm fire for several hours, giving the scene commanders unprecedented aerial views.
So it's giving them aerial views and that new data that we're seeing here, from this interface. How are they absorbing and utilizing this new data that the Hoverfly is now presenting to them?
Well, they can get simultaneous EO and IR views from 200 feet above the scene, which means they can move apparatus and move firefighting equipment and firefighters more safely and more effectively.
Wow. So this looks like a pretty intuitive, easy interface. Is this the main control box, and how does this work?
This is the mission kit, and it has 5 simple controls. If you can operate an elevator, you can operate a live sky. It takes very little training.
So easy a caveman can do it?
Even a Marine can do it.
Okay.
Arm, launch, up and down, and land. There's only 5 buttons and a joystick to control the video.
Wow. It's a very simple, intuitive platform, allows for constant power, direct video, and something that possibly can be integrated to a fire truck?
It can. It can even follow a fire truck. So with our on-the-move capability and power tether technology, the live sky can follow a moving vehicle and stay in the air, allowing operators to get different views from different angles.
Wow, so exciting stuff. Well, the drone revolution is upon us, and the tether revolution is even more. So exciting stuff, and thanks for your time.
Thanks very much, Kevin.
Appreciate it.